Hello everyone! Let me show you how to make a paper bookmark with a cat. We begin to make a paper bookmark with a nice cat. Take a sheet of paper. Fold the top right corner to the bottom side. And fold the crease. Cut along this line. That's what you should have in this step. Take the right corner and lift it up to the top of the triangle. Make a crease. Do the same with the left corner of the triangle. Unfold it. Bend the top corner, but take only one layer of it to the bottom side. Make a crease. Raise the right corner again to the apex of the triangle. And tuck the little triangle into this pocket. Repeat doing it with the lower left corner. You should have this design. Cut off the bookmark's top. We begin to make ears for the cat. Take a rectangle of paper and cut off the piece 5 cm width. Fold it in half. Draw a cat's ear. Try on the ears. Cut off the excess. Try on the ears. Draw the outlines in the ears. And draw the middle of the ears with a purple color. Draw eyes for the cat. Draw a nose for the cat. And a beautiful smile. Paint the eyes with black. Draw the eyelashes. Paint the nose with purple. Glue the ears to the cat's head. You can make the bookmark with the cat once more time. Use a different color of paper. And use them with your lovely books or notebooks.
like it. Subscribe on the channel Helpful Arts and Crafts. Click on the bell. Share the video with your friends.
Take a photo of your bookmarks and share it in social media with the tag Helpful Arts and Crafts.